Hey. Peekaboo monkey.
Hi.
Organize.
Listen.
Yeah.
Hello, monkey.
Hello. Mukha siya. Yeah, pero mukha siya.
Hello, Kalabalan.
Wow. Not yet. Sleeper sofa yung tawag.
Sleepers.
Good na. Mukha siyang nice.
Watermelon.
Ha?
Alaman.
Wala man.
Table shopping tayo, girl. Oop.
Kaya ito nagpapalakas para sa batang ito.
Welcome to our 47-meter square home.
Hello, Mom.
Gabo! Looky! Hey, oh, more mirrors. And more mirrors. No, you're tired? Dati what's your... Kunyari lang naman wala tayong table. Ito. Yan yung gusto mo na may side table. Si monkeys. Bakit ang lamp ko? Singit pa lang. Oh my, 3.7.
Ay, wow. Biblia.
Dami naman pag nito. Mukha siyang tumataan. Ayun.
Hi.
Ayun, ayusin po. Leopard ah.
Leopard.
Start na siya slide. Bluey! Kailan si Bluey kasi to. Bluey!
What's Bonnie?
Gabo, go to mommy. Meron siyang... Pero tumatawa.
Hi, Tito Chick.
Touch! Okay, let's go na, let's go. Go na tayo. More monkeys pa. Octopus! One, go. Shark! Shark! Sharks! Wala na yan.
Baby shark pa yan? Big shark yan? Please. What's
Octopus.
this? What's this?
What's that?
Cus.
Octopus.
Tapos?
Octopus. More. Elephant. Snake.
Ang dami na palang hawak ni Gab.
Alam ko sa yung mga yan.
Oh, ano to? What's that?
Space Bunny.
Astronaut.
What's that?
Astronaut.
What's that?
Gabo, look at that.
Tapos na kami IKEA, hanap-hanap ng mga organizer. Kahit ano.
Yeah.
Hi.
Organize.
Listen.
Yeah.
Tagal ko nang di nakakapunta dito. Gabi po may monkey jumping on the bed, oh. Monkey! Sneak!
Hello.
Hello, Kalabalan.
Hello, Ladybug. Ladybug.
Leopard. Leopard.
Kids are young.
Not yet! Not now! Silip na lang muna tayo. Wow!
No, you're tired? Dati what sa'yo? Gusto nyo na mag snug fit? Elephant.
Oh, sit down na, sit down. So, anong ganong klase? Ha?
For the what? For the room?
Oo.
Mukha siyang outdoor.
Hindi sa akin yan.
Yeah, pero mukha siyang outdoor. Tas... bench pala sa... How much? God, we're not staying.
Let's go na.
Sorry. Monkey. Peekaboo.
Ano tayo?
Hey. Peekaboo monkey. Poam.
Hello, monkey.
Hello, monkey. Saan ang couch?
Tan. 6,000.
Gloss star.
Pwede na?
Yun nga lang, 6,000. Okay, tayo na siya. Wow.
Ayan, mga ano, expandable. Ito, 15. Ayan o, yan. Sleeper sofa yung tawag.
Sleepers.
Good night. Mukha siyang nice.
Mura to.
Wala man.
Wala man.
Wala man.
Smile.
Smile.
Chicken monkey. Where's the chicken monkey?
Yeah. Table shopping tayo, girl.
Akaban. Let's go to the other side.
Other tayo ang...
Playtime.
Lipat na tayo. Lipat na tayo.
Magmamay.
Oop. Yay!
Kaya ito nagpapalakas para sa batang ito.
Oh, welcome to our 47-meter square home. And that's it.
Hello, ma.
Kabo! Looky, looky! Hey, oh, more mirrors! And more mirrors. Okay.
Girl. Di ba ka malaglag ka dun?
3499.
What's that for?
Table. Tapos para siyang ano, nice sturdy. Kunyari lang naman wala tayong table. Ito, can you consider
Wow.
ay mirror. Mirror dun sa ganito.
Gusto ko ng mirror.
Gab! Gab, no more na.
Doon
Touch
tayo
mo lang
sa-
din, let's go na. Let's go.
Sa ano, 37-meter square home.
Oh. Ayan. Kung saan-saan na naman tayong kama, no? Oh, tired? Yan yung gusto mo na may side table ka. I think that one we can.
May white pa tayo doon eh. Ano muna natin?
Ayan na nga, nagubad na yung isa. Gab! I mean, that's good na nagtanggal ka, pero we're in IKEA.
Wow! Hi!
Si monkeys. Look at tong lamp, oh. Singit pa lang. Oh my, 37.
Nice.
Bye-bye, 37.
Gab-gabs room mo. Ay, wow! Biblia. Okay.
Dami naman tag nito. Mukha siyang tumatain ng... Ayun.
Hi!
Hi, Gab. Calm down.
Hi!
Ayun na yung sipon.
What's that?
That is a tiger.
Leopard, ah.
Leopard. San Lopare.
What's that?
Sanlopa.
What's that?
Sanlopa.
Ah, come on, let's go there naman.
Huwag na yan.
Sayang hindi umabot sa video yun.
Gusto mo na
Gab-gab, oh.
Bye-bye.
Ay, parang.
Oh! Familiar? Wag mo na, Gab. Kasi you're not yet old yet.
Naman.
Not yours, not yours.
You thought that's yours? Oo nga eh. Di ba yun naman yung plano?
Ayan na nga, aral ko po. Madlang page mo. Bakit?
How much is that?
799. Oh!
You want that? Look at the tunnel, oh.
Ano na ba? Start na siya slide. Bluey! Kailan na si Bluey kasi to? Bluey!
What's Bluey?
Gabo, go to mommy. Meron siyang turtle.
What's this?
Hey there, great news. Starting from 9 p.m. per hour,
Wala.
don't miss out and see you there.
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya.
Yan ang snake.
Snake? Oh, owl. Owl versus snake. Grabe yung kapit. Grabe yung kapit. Pero tumatawa.
Hi, Tita Chick.
Touch monkey's hand. Touch. Okay, let's go na. Let's go. Go na tayo.
Oh, there's more here. I can
More
see an
monkeys pa.
I can see
Octopus. One. Go.
fingers.
Shark. Sharks. Wala na yan.
Baby shark ba yan? Big shark yan?
Those are big sharks.
What's this? What's
Alpacas.
this? What's this?
What's that?
Octopus.
Alpacas.
Oh, love mo yung octopus?
Octopus.
Stuffy! Some more here, oh!
More. Elephant. Snake.
Ang dami na palang hawak ni Gab.
Alam ko sa galing mga yan.
Oh, ano to? Oh, there's an astronaut. What's that?
Space bunny.
Astronaut.
Oh, again, what's that? What's that? What's that? Ano love niya octopus?
Oo nga eh. Nasa iyo pa pala po? Ako na ba? Wow, laki naman.
Hi guys, sobrang pagod. Kakauwi lang namin from IKEA. Grabe, nakakapagod talaga kasi Gab-Gab. Wala siyang carrier, wala siyang stroller, tapos pabuhat siya, pahabol. Pasarado na, so yung mga palabas, we had to take the longer route. Tapos syempre dahil pasarado na, ang pila sa elevator, ang haba. It's already 11. Nasasaraduhan na kami ng food. Tapos naubusan na.
Silong.
Okay.
Sumaga. Hey. Peekaboo. Yeah. Looky, looky.
That is a tiger.
Leopard ako.
Leopard.
Start na siya slide. Bluey! Kailan na si Bluey kasi to? Bluey!
What's Bluey?
Gabo, go to mommy. Meron siyang turtle.
What's this?
Hey there, great news.
Pero tumatawa.
Hi, Tita Chick.
Wow. Touch. Okay, let's go na. Let's go. Go na tayo.
Oh, there's more here. I can
More
see an
monkeys pa.
I can see
Octopus. One. Go.
fingers.
Shark. Shark. Sharks. Wala na yan.
Baby shark ba yan? Big shark yan? What's
Alpacas.
this? What's this?
What's that?
Octopus.
Alpacas.
Octopus?
Octopus. More. Elephant. Snake.
Ang dami na palang hawak ni Gab.
Alam ko sa galing mga yan.
Oh, ano to? Oh, what's that?
Space bunny.
Astronaut.
What's that?
Astronaut.
What's that?